Hello friends, how you guys doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to boost the speed of your video uploads on TikTok. It's easy and simple. Continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the TikTok app. You tap to open. Okay, so once it opens, you go to profile down here. You tap. Okay, then next you go to these three lines here. You tap. Next, you go to settings and privacy, you tap. Next, you're going to see privacy, you tap on privacy. Then next, you're going to see quick uploads, okay? Quick uploads. Now, this allows your video to pre-upload during the creation process to improve upload speed. Once this is turned on, right, this way, once this is turned on, it then means it's going to boost the speed at which you upload your video. But if it's turned off, okay, your video will take time to upload. So it's best for you to turn this on this way to boost your video upload or to boost the speed of your video upload. Hope this was helpful. Please, if it was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you.